Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin with the single serve recipe. 1¼ tablespoons of almond flour go into a little bowl. Now I'm going to add a stevia erythritol mix, 2 tablespoons of that, 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. I use the dark kind, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Give it all a good mix in the little bowl. 1 full tablespoon of melted butter. Oops, a little bit fell down. And 1 egg, a medium to large egg. So give this all a good mix. I hope you need to preheat your air fryer to 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what I'm doing is I've taken a ramekin and that leftover little bit of butter, I'm buttering it really well. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of unsweetened cocoa powder and rotate it so it gives the cake something to hold on as it's coming up. And instead of using almond flour, I've used the same unsweetened cocoa powder. And now I put it into the ramekin and it's ready to go into the preheated air fryer for 3 to 4 minutes. That's about it. Oops, sorry, I forgot. Some chocolate chips. I've used the sweetened Lily's ones. Put it in the center. And yes, now it's ready to go into the air fryer. There it comes out. It's almost a lava immediately. So this lovely lava air fryer cake, and let me press it and check that out. Thanks for watching and do subscribe and press the bell. Bye then.